Hey everyone, this is Brian with Giant Loop. I'm doing a quick overview video of the MoJavi Saddlebag and basically where you want to start your fitment process on your bike. So as you can see here on our 98 XR600, just going to give you a quick rundown of how you mount it up. So first you're going to start with the fender hook mounting. So I've got these adjusted, I've cut them to length. So you first want to start getting these snug. So your first thing is get these snug, and then as you tighten the straps here, depending on the bike, you'll strap it here, here, use our GL mounts. So this general area is a great place. So as soon as you snug this up, actually put it in there, as soon as you were to snug this up and pull it forward, what it does is it tightens the rear. So just imagine that's snugging it up. On the left side and the right side, it works the same way. Our bags come with an included heat shield, which you can see here to protect your bag from getting burned. You can always add dry pods in afterwards, so this makes it a 100% waterproof bag. So I'm going to pull it off here and show you another way to mount them. Every bike is different, but we kind of wanted to give you the best start. So on this bike, you'll see the 500. Certain models of the European bikes from Husqvarna and KTM, the fender hooks just don't want to grab into there. So one of two solutions. First solution, start with the Giant Loop tail rack. What you do is you use the included strap and buckle, which all of our saddlebags come with. So you'd basically lay the bag over the rack, you'd feed the straps through there, and you'd clip it together. So this would be the rear anchor. The front anchor would be, like I showed you on the XR, the general triangle area is the best way to start with. If you do not have a tail rack and you have a bike where the fender hooks, they just don't like to grab, what you would do is you would take the included strap, which comes with every MoJavi. So this strap with the buckle, as you can see, this bike has an under fender and an over fender or regular fender. What you would do is you loosen the bolts that hold these together. So you have a couple millimeters or a quarter inch of gap. And what you would do is you would take this strap, you'd slide it all the way forward, and then as you tighten the bottom, it locks the strap in place to the fender, and then you would buckle it, push the buckles through here, and you would tighten the top of the bag that way. So if your bike does not like fender hooks, like many 2012 through 2015 Husqvarna and KTMs, like this bike, fender hooks just don't like to grab, you would do that strap between the fender method. If you have a different bike where the fender hooks grab very well like this, then use the fender hooks, cut them to shape. So that would be the kind of the start of how you want to mount the bag. Sometimes on certain bikes you can even get it underneath the seat a little bit as you tighten the rear straps, but that general area is how you want to start mounting any saddlebag. If you have any questions, you give us a call, but we wanted to make it as easy and carefree as possible for all you guys. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.